Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today is December the 30th, 2019. Hey, it's getting close to the new year, but I'm out here today doing my last, I think it's my last job I'm going to do in 2019. No, I got another one to do. I got some more work to do here in 2019 before it's over with. I'm going to work tomorrow. Anyway, y'all, hey, I've been busy. A lot of things been going on. I know I hadn't posted a video in a while because I've been, let's see what I've been doing. Christmas come. Oh, it's been cold, it's been raining. I had some downtime. I got a little sick there, wasn't feeling well. Just took some time off. Had to take some time off. But hey, I'm back. I'm getting ready for this new year, 2020. Right now, y'all, I'm finna finish up a job before night catches me. It's right about 5 o'clock right now. What I'm finna do is, this here's a property that I do maybe like once a year or so. I just cleaned it up, and right now I'm finna put some mulch out. Check it out, check it out. It's looking right here. I'm gonna put out some more mulch right out here on this area right here. Had a lot of leaves. I cleaned up those leaves though, got them up. But as you can see, I got about 4 yards of mulch right here on the trailer. I'm finna get that off of there and see about getting that installed. Yup, that's what I'm finna do. But hey, I just wanted to give y'all a quick view of what I'm doing. I'm back. Let y'all know I'm back and I'm moving. So let me see if I can get this out right quick, y'all. And I'm gonna get back with you. Just stay tuned. Okay. Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care, and today is December the 31st, 2019. My last job for this year is gonna be a pressure washer job. I'm finna to get in here and see if I can clean up this here driveway. Let me give you a quick view of the way this one here looks. This here's the way it looks. This here's the driveway. Customer called me and said they had got a letter that their home association said that the driveway needed pressure washing. So I'm gonna get in here and see if I can clean this driveway up and this sidewalk. As you can see, this right here, here, and I guess all the way around to probably right here. I'm gonna take and pressure wash this. So I'm just giving y'all a quick view of what I'm finna tackle right now. So let me have it. I don't have very much time. I gotta finish this one up because the new year is coming. 2020 is gonna be here soon. Well, you know, when night fall and daylight rise again, it's gonna be 2020. So let me get in here and finish this up for 2019. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna give you a view of some of it after I get it out. Get it all taken care of. Let me get set up though. Okay. Okay, everyone, I'm gonna give y'all a quick view while I can before night catch me. Customer asked me could I do the back patio, and so I'm gonna see if I can get my pressure washer in the back and clean that patio off in the back. But let me give you a quick view of the way the sidewalk and the driveway turn out. Here we go. This here is the way, as you can see, the sidewalk turn out. Had a lot of dirt that was in there, but got that cleaned up, and you can see a lot of the over dirt that came, well, from the grass up there, the turf washing back onto the concrete. But I got it, as you can see, I got it all cleaned up. And this here is the way the driveway looks after continuously going over it and over it to get all the dirt off of there, and just washing it. A lot of that cracks in the driveway is just dirt from in between the cracks coming out. So I try to rinse everything off of that to get it looking good and all, but that'll level out later on. But I went over it a number of times, as you can see right here, the way it looks after continuously just pressure washing and everything, getting all that dirt. You can see all the dirt that come off the driveway back out here onto the streets here. So I'm pushing y'all. So like I say, the new year is gonna be a different year in a few hours. So I'm working late here on New Year's Eve, so I'm trying to wrap this up. So I'm gonna get to the back and I'm gonna finish that. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick view of the way this here look before I leave. This one, like I say, this is my last job for 2019. So when I post another one, it'll be in 2020. So I wish everyone a happy new year, and hope it be a prosperous year in 2020 for you. But anyway, I'm gonna post one in 2020. I plan to be doing some cooking there tomorrow, so maybe I will do a video on that. But anyway, y'all, happy new year. Let me get out of here. All right, y'all, take care.